my gorgeous plant people, welcome back to Reading Mindfully. My name is Yana, and today I am showing you guys my new grow light. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So like I said, today I'm showing you guys my new grow light, and I am so grateful and humble that Soltech Solutions has sent me a grow light to try on my plant collection. As you guys know, I am always in the market for a new grow light to try on my plants. However, I also like grow lights that are aesthetically pleasing, but that will also help the growth of my plants. So when Soltech Solutions sent me out this light, I was very much excited and over the moon to try this light. I did request the 40-watt large aspect light in matte white, as you guys can see they hung up there. And included in this video, I will show you guys a little bit of the setup as well as me placing my plants in this corner here. I was able to put this, I was looking to put this light in the bedroom because if you guys watch my houseplant tour, I did have my Sandy light in this corner. However, it was just too bright to have, especially waking up in the morning. The light was on an automatic timer, so it would just snap on, and it was just very blinding. And so my boyfriend was just like, we need another light. So we were just looking for a light that was, like I said, aesthetically pleasing, but that would also help my light or help my plants. And this light is just very soft, very warm, and I'm very excited because it also doesn't extend far into the bedroom area or into, into the bed, so that way it doesn't wake us up in the morning. But like I said, this light has a warm white glow to it. It is a 40-watt, like I said. It does replace the 240 incandescent bulb, and so you are saving a lot of energy with this light. As well as the warm glow that you see here is a 3000 lumens, and so it's going to be on the warmer side. If it was a cooler white light, it would be closer to the 5000 lumens, which my other Sandy lights have more of that cool color. And so I'm really enjoying this warm color, especially in the bedroom, and it just gives off a nice gentle look to the eyes. This one has this aspect light has a very high CRI, and CRI is the color rendition, and so this one is at a 97, which is very high for a light. You want to try to find CRIs that have that are above like an 80. That's a very good CRI. And so being at 97, that is very true to the color that it's reflecting. And then for reference, natural lighting is at 100. So this is amazing color rendition here. And so what I did in this area, I made this area more for my highlight plants or plants that I'm trying to bring out more variegation in. And so I was very pleased with the pamphlet. In this box or this kit, you get that large aspect light, you get some ceiling hooks, some swag hooks that in case you want to pull the cord very taut. It is like a rope cord, and so you do get 15 feet of the cord, which is very nice depending on the height of your ceilings and how far you want the light to come down. You do get a timer, which I really enjoy having timers on my grow lights. So it was very awesome to have a timer included in this grow light, so that way I didn't have to go buy any additional ones. So that way I don't have to worry about turning my lights on and off. And then in the guide, in the smart guide, it tells you how to install the light, as well as it tells you how far you want to hang the light depending on the plants that you include. So the pamphlet includes plants that you can grow under this light. It includes philodendrons, aralias, all kinds of plants. It also tells you what the light need for that plant is. It tells you if it's low light, moderate, or high light. And it also tells you how far you want to hang your light from your plants depending on what light you have. So I have the large one, and I wanted this for higher light plants, so I chose to hang this light. I believe it was 12 to 36 inches from the plants, and so that's what I did here. And so, like I said, I'm very pleased with this light. I'm going to show you guys all the plants that I have in this area, and I'm just so excited. And Soltech Solutions is also nice enough to give me a discount code for you guys, and I will put my code on the screen so that way you guys can enjoy 15% off on your order in case you decide to buy a light for your plants as well. Alright, so like I said, I chose to make this area more of a highlight area just so I can see how this light would do with my highlight plants, especially my ficus. Since my ficus haven't really been growing very well since they came indoors. I mean, my Sandy lights were doing pretty well, but they weren't really growing anymore. Or they were giving me stunted leaves, as you can see on my Taneki rubber tree. And so I wanted to see how this aspect light would do with my plants. So I just want to go over a couple of plants that I have in this area. I have my peacock aglaonema, and aglaonemas are low light plants. However, this peacock has lost the neon coloring in its leaves because it hasn't received enough light. So I'm hoping that under this light it'll get that neon coloring back in the newer leaves that it's gonna come, that are gonna grow. I have my burgundy rubber tree. Here you can see that this leaf that came out was stunted. I chose to put my new Syngonium frosted heart because I'm hoping that I get more of this frosty color. I put my Hoyas because Hoyas do enjoy more of a higher light. And I also wanted these plants to dangle, give them space to dangle over. I put my ruby rubber tree here. I have my my Peace Lily Platinum Mist just to go ahead and try to get more of the silvery color in the leaves. Here's my Ficus Audrey. I have my snake plant, my Moonshine here to maintain the silver coloring. Here is my variegated Maranta. You see I was getting tiny leaves under that sandy light. Here's my silver band, which is looking very beautiful. I have my green Maranta, my money tree. I have the variegated, the green Ming Aurelia to try to get some growth back on this plant. I have the variegated one to maintain its very beautiful variegation. Here's my green ficus. This one also had a little bit of stunted growth. My Taneki. And I have my Ficus altissima. And then I have my Sayuri Sansevieria that I'm trying to maintain this new growth and the creamy new growth that's coming in. And so those are the plants that I chose to put in this corner. And let me take a step back so that way you guys can see how it looks. But yes, I'm really enjoying how this turned out. You can see the setup there. And then the light, how it's hung from the ceiling. Like I said, the installation was very simple. And the warm glow is just beautiful. But as always, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I want to go ahead and thank Soltech Solutions again for sending me out this beautiful grow light. And if you guys want to enjoy 15% off on your order, I will go ahead and place my discount code on the screen again. But like I said, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.